Alright, so here we're demonstrating the barbell back squat. I like to use the pad, it makes it a little more comfortable for me. My feet about shoulder width apart. I take a few steps back, make sure I'm comfortable. Once I'm comfortable, I go down with slow controlled movement. I like to have my knees a little bit further apart. Toes pointed outward just a little bit, helps you get a deeper stretch. You want to aim for at least parallel, but I like to go deeper than parallel, as deep as I can to get the most out of the exercise. When I'm down there, I'm in no rush to come back up. And when I do come back up, I explode up. And make sure you keep your feet flat. So feet flat, parallel, slightly pointed out, slow controlled down, explode up. Is how you want to do your back squats. My knees being a bit further out is going to target more of the glutes. So this is good for glutes and quads.